If you're tired of your usual steak sauce, save mo na to because this is so easy and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. This is called Nam Jim Jiao or Thai chili dipping sauce. If you're familiar with the Crying Tiger steak, ito yung sauce na ginagamit nila doon. And why it works is because it's salty, it's tangy, it's sweet, and it's a little bit sour. This dipping sauce originates from Isan or the northeastern region of Thailand. Pero when I was in Bangkok, this was pretty much all over the place and I fell in love with it the first time I tasted it. Majority of the ingredients for this dipping sauce are household staples, pero na lang siguro yung tamarind paste which you can find naman sa Shopee. And yung toasted rice powder, malakit lang yan, tinost ko lang siya sa pan tapos dinurog ko siya. Meron din naman readily available toasted rice powder on Shopee if tamad kayo, but for me, tinry ko lang siyang gawin from scratch. And that's it. Perfect as a steak, so try it and let me know what you think. That's it for today. Bye!